Our basic thing is that we are all having different agencies. This whole idea is because of Excel School of Music. Flagship is Cosmos Exotic Orchestra, where we have many people, whether they know to play or don't know to play, from young to old, married, bachelors, spinsters, everyone. And we teach to play exotic instruments. But in this band, you don't have exotic instruments, you have regular instruments, but you have also instruments like woodwind, like we have saxophones, and we have violins, and we have harmonicas, we have concert flutes, along with the regular band instruments, bass guitar, keyboards. We also have a vintage keyboard known as Matador, Farfisa, and we have vintage veterans and we have young newbies who we have never seen them in our lives. Till now, people have not come for rehearsal also, but we are trying to do, because this is exam season and everyone's so busy. Till date, we have not had a 20-piece rehearsal yet, but soon we are doing cluster practice. This is called sectional practice. Only strings, only woodwinds. Raja, start. Raja, start. This is the speed. We are actually celebrating 30 years of my first band known as the Teens. It was formed in '88 while we were in school in the 8th standard in Don Bosco. So all those members, now they are some are big musicians, studio owners, some have left the line. But in '89 we used to play a hit set. If you had to play that set of 7 songs, no matter how you were sad, what your worries were, people used to come and dance. Okay, they used to do some step like this and some step like that. I remember I was 12, 13 years old, and I used to earn 100 rupees per show. That was enough for months. Okay, so we are having a memory concert of that glorious late 80s, mid 80s till date. So for that, Pravas Ravi, the manager of Bad Blood and the leader of Bad Blood, Nixon, have given us a chance and given this name to the band, Castle Rock. Castle Rock because it's on the border of Goa. Pravas comes from there, so he hit upon this idea. So we have been given a chance to open the show at Rock in Goa. But now we have been promoted to the stars of the show, I heard. So somebody will open for us and we are the stars. Now in this band, everybody is a star, but the one who is taking center stage will be Carl D'Souza. He is a veteran guitarist, singer. He has been to the US. All these songs, most of the songs usually had a symphonic orchestra backing them. A symphonic orchestra is like a 256, 512 piece big orchestra. Now we are 20 of us. In that we just have 3 saxophones. One is a tenor and 2 alto saxophones. And we have 2 violins, 1 concert flute, sometimes 2-3 harmonicas, and maybe an odd instrument. This is not enough. Even though we will be miking them on vintage sound system, we are trying to make do with what we have, but we are superimposing extemporized parts which are not there in the song to give a new color to that, a new color, a new dimension to the 80s music.
Meet me underneath that big Montana sky. Meet me underneath that big Montana sky.
The concert has gone up in level. Concert started as a rock and roll concert, went on to rock, classic rock, hard rock, metal, heavy metal, thrash metal, now death metal, punk metal, grunge. So they are really not expecting us to play what we are playing. Somebody might, shout out also, what are you playing? But what we are playing is, we are playing conventional pop dance music But we have guitarists here who can give an edge to it and make it hard pop. Hard pop is what is known as saturated sound. We are going to get little hard pop from the guitars and at least come close to the rock as much as we can, since this is a rock show predominantly. This is one way to play. Or you can play this way also, but there is already one tambourine inside. So best when you do this.
To hold you once more, won't you meet me, Montana? I wanna see the mountains in your eyes.
So I've devoted all my time to this, and I really have faith in this band and in also Rocky, who has been guiding this band, working very hard, endlessly, and having sleepless nights. So yes, it's coming around. We are coming pretty close to getting our songs together.
My kind of girl, searched all the world to find my girl, my peace of mind. My kind of girl, my kind of girl, searched all the world to find my girl, my peace of mind. My kind of girl. My kind of world, this was one. My kind of world, my kind of world. Search all the world to find my girl, my peace of mind.
We are prepared for 13th.
Yes, pretty much.
Just don't lose your pages because I'm giving all this. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So just in case you have to go on here and you have time. So finish. Go and
Hopping over night, separate, it'll be alright. Changing, hopping over I believe in love with no condition, and giving it sometimes doesn't make it submission. Hey, it's simple, but it's almost tradition. Don't let anything behind and make that transition.
I haven't heard these songs before. This is the first time I'm hearing all these songs because I'm as old as Rocky's band, the Teens. So when I was born, Rocky first started playing, I guess. But I'm enjoying practicing and being with the other band members. I'm enjoying my song too. I hope the public enjoys it.
Is it equally tough for you to present a 90s and 80s song in front of a new
Yeah, because the singing style and the music is different from what we hear now, what we get to listen to now. So yeah.
just give him support. Make sure your ending notes are correct. Ending notes are correct. Is it Raju guitar?
I wanna see the mountains in your eyes. Find somebody to but they won't find you because you told me today that you want me to stay and stay.
it's more about coordinating, right? When we are all placed in different places, so we practice. Part of the musicians practice here, part in the south, and Rocky has been coordinating us. It's been quite tough, but nice. We're enjoying it.
So I'll sing a solo for you. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, wait. I'll sing a solo for you. Okay? Now, come in.
I feel that really was music what they made at that time compared to the music which we hear nowadays. Because there you had live instruments, as Rocky said, you had people like 200 and 500 people backing you up for the main vocals or the main instrument. And now everything is done using a laptop. So I really at this age I really love and I really appreciate the music what they used to make that time, because they no longer make it. So I'm really privileged to be a part of this band, Castle Rock, and working with Sir Rock has always been a pleasure for me.
Experience is very good because Rocky sir has put his almost 100%, and we have to try to give 100% from his efforts, and it's a very good concept. I thank him for making it a part of this band. We are almost around 20 members who are performing together and playing the music of 80s. Almost a few songs are very different and I have never heard before. We are trying to give our best in this. As you know, all this electronic media has come and instruments has developed very much in advance, and we are trying to give the vintage, use almost the vintage instruments and give the same output as they do for 80s and all. So that's a very good concept, and it's very difficult also.
Only for what I am. You got a right to speak your mind. You gotta take a stand. No one has the right to say this is right or that is wrong. It isn't just one way.
माझे गिटार पासून 80s वाली
हां okay
basically I like all the songs in this okay 80s was when I was born
okay
so Rocky revived his songs
After that, just give me that signature riff now, and then you play what you want.
I have been working with him for many years, in the sense I'm his student, he's my sir basically, and it's been more than 5 years I'm learning from him, and this is the first time I'm performing with him, and that also something like unknown songs for me. It's completely new songs because I was born in late 90s, and the songs were like kind of my grandfather's song, and I got an opportunity to play a classical guitar in this concert. So I'm so happy to be a part of Rocky Sir's band basically, and I respect a lot because he has been training me, and because of him today I'm a music teacher basically professionally. I'm not a player. I teach music theory and guitar, classical guitar, but this opportunity I got, so I said myself let's try something new, so that I can explore something new.
So I request all the people from Goa, please be present on 13th of April at 7 p.m. at Verna to watch this wonderful concept called, we made this band called Castle Rock 80s. So let's see you guys there.
Oh yeah.